Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Australia to Pakistan through Remitly. So let's quickly dive into the quickest way for you to be able to transfer your money. So the first thing to do, which is the first step, is to open the Remitly app or go to the Remitly website, sign in or create a Remitly account with your details. Then on step 3, you have to select Australia as the sending country, which is your sending source, and Pakistan and the receiving source, which is the receiving country. Then on step 4, you have to enter the amount of money you want to send. Choose a delivery method, which usually be like a bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet like J's Cash or Easy Paisa. Then on the step 6, you have to enter your recipient full name, the phone number, and the bank or wallet details depending on the method you choose. Then step 7, you have to select your payment method, which is debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Review all the details carefully and confirm your transaction. And that's how you can easily send money from Australia to Pakistan. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more video guide. Thanks.